always had problems with headphones or earbuds. Actually, not headphones, earbuds. Headphones make your ear really uncomfortable and super hot. Wired headphones, the wire always tangles and it just falls out of the ear all the time. AirPods, they're really super expensive and they don't even work with my ear. They just literally just fall off. So they suck. And all types of wired headphones are no longer supporting iPhone because we don't have a headphone jack anymore. So we just gotta go and look for a good Bluetooth headphones. Today, I have something that I was not gonna review at the beginning, but I really like this and I think everybody should get one of this, and that's why I'm actually reviewing this today, and that's why I decided to let you guys know about this amazing earbuds. So I've actually used these earbuds, but I put it back in the box as if it just came in the mail to unbox it for you guys. So when you get the headphones, you just get it in a black box like that. It's very compact, very small, looking very good, and then you open it and then we have our earbuds. We have a little box that has all the USB cables and everything. So let's take a look at what's inside the box. A USB cable, very short, which is good because you don't want a lot of wires running in your bag or whatever. And it's very high quality. It doesn't feel cheap at all. Also, the headphones that you get them in this little charging case, which looks amazing, and I'm just a big fan of how they look. They look expensive, they look like a really good brand, and they look like they would work. And then you get the manual, as you guys could see. I never really used it, read it, or anything. So at the beginning, I had really high expectations for this little baby because, like I said, it's very hard to find earbuds or headphones or anything that actually works with my ear perfect and it's not annoying me or anything like that. First things first, I'm just gonna say real quick that this little earbuds, they met all my expectations. They surpassed it and they destroyed it and they smashed it. It's gonna remind me of Peter McKinnon. Alright, so when you first open the box like this, you see your little earbuds. There's a left and right. And one really good feature I love about these, as soon as you take them off the charging case, boom, you're instantly on the earbuds, instantly looking for your phone to connect to it automatically. So it's very convenient to actually turn it on and turn it off the same way. When I'm about to use it, I just kind of take it, put it in my ear, it turns on. And when I'm about to put it back to charge or not using it anymore, I just put it back in the case and boom, it turns off automatically, and it also charges automatically. So this little case is not really heavy at all, and also it does not feel cheap and it doesn't feel like it's gonna break. So that's really good. It's very high quality, and you have a micro USB input right here. So that's how you actually charge this case, which then later on charges your battery. So these earbuds can work up to 12 hours. You can just, whenever you're not using it, put it back in the case to actually charge them again, and then you're gonna be set and you're gonna be good to go. So the earbuds, when you take them off like that, it's actually magnetic, so they fall back into place, which I freaking love. When you actually plug it in like that, there's little two LED lights that actually shows you that it is charging, which is very useful and very amazing. And it actually looks like there's someone watching you through the case, which is kind of creepy sometimes. Each one has left and right, as you guys can see, and there's also a button right here. You can answer phone calls, you can skip the music, you can pause, play the music, you can get the previous song. There's all types of multimedia controls in this. Didn't fall out of my ear, not even once, and I didn't have to take it off, not even once, because I was uncomfortable. None of that. These are very comfortable, they are very reliable, they sound amazing. There's also a little light right here in the front to let you know whether your headphones are charging or they're not, which is very useful. Also, let's say you want to clean these little rubber things that you put in your ear. They're easily removable like that, and then you can clean them, you can wash them, and you can very easy put it back like this. Literally takes a second. It's great. Literally, these earbuds doesn't have not even one thing that I don't like, or one thing that I'm saying like I wish they had this, or anything like that. They don't fall out of my ear. They're very comfortable. They sound amazing. They last for a day. I couldn't ask for more. And you can also charge it via the micro USB cable, which is like a universal charger, which everybody should have one in their bag. Overall, I love these headphones. I think everybody should get one of this. This is not an ad, none of that. They didn't pay me to actually make this video or any of that. When you guys put it in your ear, this is pretty much how it looks. And there's a really good amount of noise cancellation. Actually, if you pause the music, you can still hear people talking to you, so you don't have to take them out your ear or anything like that. So you're gonna be set and you're gonna be good to go. So overall, do I recommend these headphones? I definitely recommend one of these. If you have 50 bucks right now, go get you one of these, and I guarantee you will not regret having this amazing headphone. If you ask me, would I get this or that AirPods? I would definitely get this. This is a win. They also have warranty. I think it's like 1 year warranty or something like that. Guys, go buy you one of these. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed the video, make sure to like, make sure to comment, yeah, make sure to subscribe. If you have more time to watch, make sure to check one of my other videos right here. And like I said, subscribe right there. And this is pretty much it. Now click that sub button right now. I'm watching you. You gotta click that sub button.